Good evening, Dunellen families. My name is Mrs. Macalalad. I am your child's teacher for the Precalculus Honors class. As the name of our course suggests, our class will explore the skills needed in preparation for calculus or advanced work in mathematics at the college level. The course extends the study of polynomial, rational, exponential, logarithmic, and trigonometric functions. Emphasis will be placed on various approaches to solving problems that incorporate graphing technology, numerical tables, and advanced algebraic and analytical techniques. The unit on trigonometric functions will explore their graphs, properties, identities, and inverses. The topics in polar equations and graphs, analytic geometry, and conic sections will also be investigated. The course concludes with an introduction to the techniques used for finding the limit of a function and for analyzing continuity. Students may choose to register for the Middlesex County College High School Scholars Program, where students can earn college credits from Middlesex County College while taking our pre-calculus course right here in Dunellen. The link for the program is posted below, or you can do a Google search using the keywords Middlesex County High School Scholars Program. Just to note, however, that even though these are official college credits, some universities like Rutgers, TCNJ, and NJIT haven't been accepting these transcripts recently. The fact that they were completed at the high school instead of the college campus was what they said. So you may have to talk to Dr. Trafford, our guidance counselor, about specific colleges if they will allow for transfer of these credits. But with our class being a dual enrollment with Middlesex County College, students are held to high standards and you're expected to produce college quality work, whether you register for the Middlesex County College program or not. This class will prepare them for the rigor of AP Calculus next year or for any college level math. With that, the grading policy for pre-calculus are as follows. Our tests and lab assignments are 70%. Those would be the mid or end of the chapter tests, possibly a project per marking period. There will be several lab assignments throughout each marking period, and this would reflect topics previously discussed or topics I would like them to research ahead to get an intro of the course and make them curious of the topics coming ahead. Then we also have our quizzes and graded homework. With us being virtual, I will not be able to give homework quizzes, which would have been 2 or 3 question quizzes based on the homework they just worked on, but it would be in class. They'll have 5 minutes to work on it. But with how virtual is, it's not that easy to apply it in a virtual setting. But we will have homework assignments for every section. I just do hope students will value the importance of practice as they work on the assignments on their own. Our class's home base would be on Google Classroom. On it, the students have the link for our daily meets, which are recorded. Students have the link for the folder so they could go back and play back the lesson if necessary. Students also have our PowerPoint slides posted on there along with reminders. This year, we also have My Math Lab for School. The students have access to this course in which their textbook, the homework assignments, and the tests are all located on that online platform. Please continue to remind students to stay focused on schoolwork during school hours and not to be easily distracted by their phones or other devices. It's very tempting for students to multitask or be easily sidetracked while in a virtual setting. I'm pretty sure this is what the same sentiment is for the other teachers in all their different classes. Please also remind students to value the practice they get from working on problems. There is an importance in the productive struggle where students learn to develop grit and learn to persevere and truly challenge their understanding of the math topic and hopefully gain a solid understanding of it. Key is not to give up too easily. And I am always available for extra help. I have invited students to my virtual help sessions during period 6 and 7, along with the morning sessions from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and after school as well. There are also abundant resources available online, especially in all these apps in solving math problems. But I do hope that they use them for good. I know I'm all for them, but please tell the students to use them properly and help them understand the material instead of just a source to produce answer. About myself, I have been teaching at Dunellen since 2009. So this is year number 12 for me. Currently, I am teaching AP Calculus, our pre-calculus class. I also teach the trig class, the advanced algebra and trig, and the basic skills for seniors. In the past, I have also taught discrete math and statistics, the intermediate algebra class. I taught BSI algebra for 9th graders and BSI geometry for 10th. I am also an adjunct professor at Kane University since 2012 as a part-time back then when I didn't have kids yet. And it is definitely a challenge now that I have 2 young kids at home. I don't know if you can actually hear one. I'm in the basement. She's running around upstairs. But it's definitely a challenge now. It's harder with them around. I am currently assigned 2 pre-calculus courses over there this fall semester, and I've also taught Calc 1 and Calc 2 and the remedial math class over there. Yeah, this is indeed a very different start of the school year for us, but I am staying optimistic, and I know we will be delivering quality education for our students. We will make the most of our virtual class sessions, keeping them productive, challenging their minds. There may be a little bit of sweat and tears and some whining from all the hard work they are doing, but the key is we're not going to give up and we will rise above all these challenges. We are Dunellen Strong. Thank you again for coming tonight, and you are off to your next class. Thanks.